It's okay to be nervous. Just remember, you're the most beautiful person in the world.
That's my friend right there.
1, 2, 3, action. Take 6.
It's 5.
5. Betty Crocker's gone wild.
Ay, hijo de su madre. Hello, and welcome back to another video. I'm just kidding. So welcome back. So today's video is going to be a baking video. Also, some of you guys may know, a couple weeks back I actually lost my hard drive files. So they're bye-bye, and I actually have already recorded this, but I'm here remaking it because I did put a poll on Instagram to say either should I remake it or should I just keep going to the next video and just say fuck it. But a lot of you guys wanted to see me actually redo this cake, so here I am. So like I said, I always go by my law. Right here we're going to be baking a bueno, bonito y barato cake, okay? All the stuff that I got are from Walmart, so let me show you guys what I got. So I used the Betty Crocker, aka me. I got this cake. It's called the Super Moist. I used 2 boxes. I got confused, sorry. Also, I got sugar cones because the cake, I forgot to say, it is an ice cream themed cake. I will enter a picture right now. Okay, so this is the cones that I'm going to be using. A great value. Porque más barato, más bueno. And I got these sprinkles as well from Miss Betty Crocker herself. They're rainbow, obviously. And I got these gel food colors that I actually already made my frosting. It's going to be like a Tiffany blue. Also, last time I didn't like the colors of the cake, so thank goodness I'm remaking it. I have the Wilton icing. I got the big bucket. Para que les dé un ataque a alguien. I actually bought the tools from Amazon. I will also leave the link in the description below if you guys are interested in buying this kit. I'll use this almond bark. It's the Great Value kind, but I know there's also the Candy Quick, I believe. Pero ese está más caro, you know, and it tastes the same, so I'm gonna just go with the cheaper one. Candy Quick and this one are way easier to use for me personally than Candy Melts. I feel like I couldn't get it right with Candy Melts. Like, I just kept burning them and it was just a waste. Also, I got these cake boards and they came in a pack of 3 for like $5 at Walmart. And yeah, that's it. So now let's get started. Let me go get the cakes out of the fridge. The cake that I'm going to be doing, it is 6 inches. So it's like roughly this small. Also, I'm going to leveling it with you guys so you guys can know how I do it. So you want to make sure you wash your hands. Ya me lo sabía. Cuando me bañé hace media hora. I got a big knife. It is from La Guasma. So I just usually put my hand like this and I just start cutting. And make sure you don't throw this away because we're actually going to be using it for the ice cream scoop. Mira, qué bonito salió. Wow. Now you want to get the other 3 and do the same thing. Now please, if you're under 18 years old and you don't know how to cook, please make sure you have a supervised parent to help you out with this part because you don't want to chop over fingers. Okay, so there you go. We have the 4 cakes and they're all leveled out. You're going to grab your frosting. You want to put a little bit on your board just so that the cakes don't move. You just want to put a little bit right here. Usually as well, when you do like layer cakes, what you want to have is like those big straws. I don't have them and I'm pretty sure someone's going to eat this cake, so it's okay. But if you're going to like do it for someone or it's going to be sitting there, make sure you do it because it's kind of like hold your cake steady and not like come crumbling down, you know. You want to do a very small layer of frosting because you don't want your invitados, your friends, you don't want your family, especially not your parents, que se les suba el azúcar. Y menos que les dé un ataque. No, no, no. Ahí lotas te demandan. So now you want to put your other cake as well to it. And then you're just going to keep repeating the steps.
Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Batter it and break it and mom.
This part actually doesn't have to be neat at all, just because you're going to be covering it with another layer of frosting. And the last one, you want to put it upside down so it can be nice and a flat layer. I usually do a crumb coat. If you guys don't know what a crumb coat, it's just basically to hold all the crumbs in place.
Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast.
Now that I'm done with the crumb coat, I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for a couple minutes. Like I've been saying, it's gonna be a naked cake, so it doesn't have to be really nice and everything. Dude, I really need to get this train schedule because at night pasa, in the day pasa, in the tarde pasa, like, boy, every time I'm recording.
Batter cake, bake.
Pero sí, if you guys ask for a tip, I really do think that if you guys are gonna take this cake to a family party, you have tios and uncles que ya están viejitos, they don't really like frosting in their cakes, you know. They always say, ay, es mucho.
Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast.
I don't know who I made a cake for, and I don't think they give it back to me because I don't have it anymore. So if you guys are watching my video and someone has my cake turner thingy, please give it back to me. So make sure que limpien it, because if you're using your mom's kitchen, luego no quieres que vengan y decir, ay, hicimos pinche tiquichero, because that's what my mom says all the time. Okay. I'm gonna put it again back into the fridge and leave it in there for a couple minutes. I'm actually pretty pleased. Do you guys like it? Do you guys see it? Do you guys approve? I can't hear you. This is where it's gonna get a little bit messy, and we're gonna do the last one. So with this cake, I'm crumbling it up. We're gonna do like a cake pop. It has happened to me that I put too much frosting and it like just messes everything up. So today vamos a decir un Padre Nuestro, 5 Ave Marías, and let's make sure we get this shit right. So I'm actually gonna use some of the frosting that I have left over from the cake. I'm gonna start off by a little bit because I really don't want to mess this part up. Yeah, I think I got too much. Yeah, I got it right. And so it has to be something like this, like masa vibes, because tamales season is coming.
Hay tamales de dulce, de rajas, de queso rojos y verdes y las tortas de tamal.
You want to get half of this and just make it a bolita. Una gordita para cuántos? ¿Cuántos quiere? Pide.
5.
¿Me da una gordita de chorizo y de bistec? Claro. Here's gonna be one of them. Oh, I have for 3. Should I do 2 scoops? ¿Me da un guarache? Que no vendemos esas pendejadas. Vendemos gorditas. Nomás pude hacer 3 gorditas, no 5. Para la dieta. Oh, that's done. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna use 3 cubes, and you guys are gonna watch me walk over here and put a minute. But within that minute, you want to get it. I get it out every 20 seconds, and I kind of like mix it around so it just won't get burned. I'm just kidding, I don't do that, but you should be doing that. Very good consistency. What is it called?
Consistency.
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 Just say it all in one word.
Consistency. Yes, it's a very good consistency. So now we want to grab. Also, you want to make sure you use a little bit of this pink. Last time I felt it was too pink and I did not like that. Let me go get the cake out so we can decorate it. Let's pray another Padre Nuestro. If you don't have parchment paper, I learned that you could also use foil. Let's see if this comes out how I want it to come out. I kind of want to make like a chocolate bark. Put in some sprinkles in there. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. Okay, so now that we got the cake out, the chocolate melted, got the cake pops out. Right there. And then we are going to just drop this slowly. When you wobble the cake, it's going to kind of drip on its own, obviously. And not only that, but it will give you that natural drip and a very smooth look on top as well. Why they're different pinks? Don't even fucking ask me. Because it's a melted strawberry ice cream. Get it? I just made that up right now. So before the chocolate does dry up though, don't forget, put your sprinkles in mouth, and after you're fucked and you know it's dry already. We wait for that microwave. Who else here is a cake lover? I usually go to the party just for the cake. Like, I'm the one insisting, my mom, "Manda, quiero dar a compartir el pastel. Ma, yo quiero pastel. Ma, ¿de cuál pastel es?" You know? And trust me, cuando cantan las mañanitas, I'm the one saying, "Queremos pastel, pastel, pastel." I'm the one. We're gonna cover it with sprinkles. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get the 2 cones. If you want it to like get stuck there, you wanna dip it in some chocolate. And ta-da.
Yeah, just a cake.
The cone said, "Man, fuck your cake." It worked. It really worked. Ayy, strong vibes. Squeeze in there. And I'll come back and show you guys the finished look to it. Okay, so this concludes the video. This is the final product. Do you guys like? Do you guys see? Miren, miren. Miren qué bonito. I might give it away on Instagram, so I might not cut this cake. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and post it on my Instagram and see who wants it. That's why I was being extra clean with this cake. But yes, so make sure you guys give a thumbs up if you guys like this video of me baking. Not only do I bake faces, but I also bake cakes. But I also have the cake. You get me? But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. See you guys next time on Paola's cooking show.
It's my quinceañera cake. Alright guys, gotta go.